Guys, I'm going to explain you Hunter's bend this time. This is a very interesting bend, and needless to tell you that bend is used to join two ropes together to increase its length, right? So let's see. You have to form an underhand loop with the help of this red wire, red rope. Okay, underhand. This end is put below this standing end, then it is called underhand loop. When this red shorter end, shorter length is put under the longer length, which is called a standing end. This is your standing end. This is your running end. When running is end is put under the standing end, this is called underhand loop. Okay, so this is your underhand loop. Now you have to insert this rope into this loop, and you have to form a loop which is overhand in nature. So this is yet another loop which is overhand. So one is underhand, the other is overhand. Okay, and this is the common loop. This is the common loop for you. Now you take this end, put into this one, put into this one. Okay, and you take this one, this end from this side, and put into this one. Okay, so on opposite sides, these two ends, shorter ends, are going on the opposite side of the bend, and now tighten it. Now you have to tighten it. So look at this hunter bend is now ready. And how does it look like? It has got a beautiful look. It has got a beautiful look. Two ropes together parallelly coming here, and these two shorter ends are on the opposite side. Unlike assless bend, in the assless bend, these were on the same side of this bend, but here in hunter's bend, it is on opposite sides. That's how you can identify it. Hope you understood it very well. So stay tuned with me for more skills of knot making, bend making, or hitch making. Thank you so much.